New to trading? Confused by all the technical indicators? Today, I'm revealing the #1 best indicator for beginners that can help you make smarter trading decisions. Let's dive in. Indicators are essential tools for traders. They help identify trends, entry points, and potential reversals. But not all indicators are created equal. So which one should you start with? Introducing the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. One of the simplest yet most powerful indicators. It helps you spot when an asset is overbought, meaning it's likely to drop, or oversold, meaning it's likely to rise. So, how does RSI work? It's a scale from 0 to 100. When RSI is above 70, the asset is likely overbought and due for a pullback. When it's below 30, it's oversold and could be a buying opportunity. Let's look at a real example. Notice how RSI signaled overbought before a price drop and oversold before a price bounce? This is how traders use RSI to make better decisions. So, how can you use RSI in your trading? Here's a simple RSI trading strategy. First, look for RSI above 70 to consider taking profits or shorting. Next, look for RSI below 30 for possible buy opportunities. And always combine RSI with trend analysis for better accuracy. So, what's the verdict? Should you use RSI? Absolutely. RSI is a great first indicator for beginners because it's simple yet effective. But remember, no single indicator is perfect. Always combine it with other analysis tools. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading tips every day. Thanks for watching and happy trading.